What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add border to a shape in Canva. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and type in Canva. You will see the first official website of Canva. Click on that website, and if you are new to Canva, you will see the option of signing in. So simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have visited Canva previously, so you will see the option to log in. Just simply log in, and in both the cases, after login or signing in, you will be welcome to the dashboard of Canva. Now here, for example, if you want to create an Instagram post, click on this Instagram post. Now after clicking, you will see this type of dashboard. On your left side, click on elements and search for shapes. After clicking, you can see the shapes. Click on see all. So here are all the shapes. So for example, I am taking this shape. So as you can see, I have taken this shape, and here are stroke style. This is to add the border, and then this is to increase the border. You can just increase the border as much as you want. And for example, I want to keep it in 20, and click on color to change the color of your shape. And then as you can see, you can change your colors from here, and you can change the border color from here. By clicking on the stroke color, you can change the color of your border, and by clicking on color, you will change the shape color of your shape. Now here, corner rounding. If you want your shape to be a bit rounded, you can just increase it. So as you can see here on the shape, it is cornering and rounding. So this is how you can add to a border in Canva, and you can change and customize the shape and the border. That was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.